Getting off the beaten track here in Pakistan and doing some four-wheel driving is definitely a highlight. Even though the roads are really good near the big cities like Islamabad and Lahore, and even along the Karakoram highway, the more remote you get, the more of adventure you're going to experience. We were stuck in landslides for 2 or 3 days, and even though that was a bit annoying, it's definitely a luxury problem that we have to remind ourselves, because there are more flash floodings here in Pakistan than they've ever seen before. Due to climate change and global warming, the rivers are just rushing and taking houses with them. People have died in the last few days. I mean, it's just an absolute travesty here in Pakistan right now due to global warming.